Welcome to our channel. Today's video is all about Ichetucknee Springs State Park and floating down the Ichetucknee River. This video is for fun and entertainment purposes only. We are definitely not professional kayakers or professionals on this state park. Here is a map of the north entrance and the south entrance. For our first adventure, we went to the south entrance and found a very big parking area. Here you will find a gift shop, restrooms, food, and most important, this is where you will purchase your tickets for inner tubes, kayaks, paddleboards, and canoes. Prices range from $10 to $35 for the tubes. Kayaks, canoes, and paddleboards are $40 to $60. We also purchased our tram wristband that is $7.50. At the last takeout point, you can get on the tram and the tram will take you back to the south entrance where your car is parked and the gift shop is. Ichetucknee River. Here is a list of things that we strongly suggest that you bring. However, this park has very strict rules on what you can and cannot bring. Please refer to their website for a complete list. For example, liquids must be in a reusable container and Ziploc bags are not allowed. There are checkpoints where staff will check your bags. At the north entrance, there is an amazing kayak boat launch.
I'm coming. Oh, did you see the turtles?
I did.
Sorry, buddy. They're not afraid of me at all. I'm gonna have to do a lot of editing.
GoProing?
Yeah. Uh-oh. Except it's not working out well because I can't paddle and GoPro at the same time.
You're supposed to wear that on your head, aren't you?
Yeah, I don't have a head. Ah! I don't have a head thing.
Is that waterproof?
No, yeah, actually it is. Watch. Isn't this beautiful?
Now, did he say you could rent canoes up here too, or does it have to be down there?
I think it's only down there.
Okay.
We learned so much today.
Yeah, maybe.
How come I picked up so much speed? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, crap. Oh. They weren't kidding. This boat is not waterproof. What'd you do? Uh-oh. I'm going on your right. Sorry.
Mine's...
Oh, look.
My boat's got a steering fin on it, so it steers a lot better than yours. That is nice. Well, usually they sit real still waiting for something to swim along.
Wow.
Looks like there's a couple of turtles up there on that log way up there.
Oh yeah. The heck was that? Well, they didn't tell me I'd be sitting in 4 inches of water. Uh-oh. I'd say this is pretty shaded so far. Uh-oh. 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 I don't know what happened. Current, maybe.
This was my first time renting a kayak, my first time kayaking in a river, and my third time kayaking ever in my life. If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment. I need all the help I can get. We hope our video offers helpful tips, useful information, and encourages you to get outside.
Oh, they're here.
What are you supposed to do if you see one?
You can tell a ranger, just ignore them. Mostly they'll ignore you. Hello. You're going upstream, brave soul.
I get to go back down.
Yeah, you will. Wow, the sky turned beautiful. Is that you?
Yep.
Okay.
real deep here.
Is it? Oh, there's a turtle under there. Oh, that is deep. You putting sunscreen on? I probably need to too. Ichetucknee River. Yeah, there's not a lot of shade here.
The Ichetucknee River is fed by a group of first magnitude springs. The river produces over 200 million gallons of crystal clear, 73-degree water daily. This is a premier destination for kayaking, swimming, and tubing.
Uh-oh. Look at this tree.
Cypress?
Yeah, that's so cool. Super beautiful. Wow. There's nobody else here.
I think those are ibex.
Yeah, ibis. White ibis. There's black ibis and white ibis. They're looking for snails. Yep.
I suppose it's hard to find food if you're a bird.
I don't know. Am I going to crash?
I think so.
Oh. That's all right. Sorry, guys. Wow.
Didn't you tell me there were beavers on this thing?
Yeah, that's what the Ichetucknee River means. Beaver, something, water beaver or something. Some people have seen them, but we haven't. thought for sure we'd see an alligator. Oh, look at all the turtles lined up. I'm gonna try and take a picture. Maybe.
That bird on the branch up there?
Yeah, there's one on the bottom too.
Yeah.
Let's see if I can land up here for 1 second.
I forgot to mention earlier, at the south entrance, after you select your watercraft and sign the waiver, if planning to do the 2-hour float starting at the north launch, a van will shuttle you there. If you are planning to do the 45-minute tube float starting at Dampier's Landing, you will walk a paved quarter-mile to the launch site. Downstream, the last takeout point is where everyone must exit the river. We recommend taking the tram service back to the south entrance area. The tram will also take your floating device.
I hear voices down there. Inner tubes.
Yeah,
But then we go the next stop.
that's right.
Oh, there it is. I see it. So this is where Susan and John would get on, right here.
What's the sign say?
Dampier's Landing, 45 minutes. We have 45 more minutes. Napier's Landing access point is very busy. The quiet peacefulness of nature is most likely over. When dropping in the water, be ready for a bit of a fast, quick current.
Seems to be a lot shadier here.
Yeah, they might like this, huh?
The Ichetucknee Springs State Park offers year-round activities such as hiking and snorkeling in the Blue Hole Spring. We haven't had a chance to go to the Blue Hole Spring quite yet, but I have heard that there's quite a current in the spring. That's something to think about if you have small children. The park is a haven for wildlife, including birds, otters, and turtles. A true paradise in north central Florida. We just passed the Silt Snail Coffee Springs. Little current there with the log. I couldn't get my camera out quick enough. Bill's sleeping. Have you fallen asleep yet?
No, I probably won't.
Oh,
It's tempting though.
I know it. going downstream, you will know you are getting close to the last takeout point. You might smell the tram exhaust, and you will see a power plant. The current at the last takeout point can be swift. Stay to your left of the ropes. Be ready to grab the railing at the steps. Hold on to your watercraft and all of your belongings. If you happen to miss this exit, you will eventually be in the Santa Fe River. Unfortunately, I don't have a video to show you the last takeout point. There's a hole in that tree. Whoa, is the current coming?
Several days later.
Well, this is Florida weather for you. You never know what you're gonna get. Definitely not sweating. It was a little sweaty on the walk down here, but now a little chilly, but I got my hot coffee. 4 months after our float in March, when family visits and plan to float down the Ichetucknee River, we go. We put our rafts in at Dappier's Landing and headed down the river. Then the rain started. What an experience! One we will never forget. Oh shoot, I don't want video. Well, we survived and wonderful memories were made. We can't wait to go again, and we hope you enjoyed our journey down the Ichetucknee River. Having a wonderful time on the Ichetucknee River. Thanks for watching.